Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's all easy to find. I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. Really cool lists if you want to check those out. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up today, we are looking at the Channellock 3-piece grip lock tongue and groove pliers set. This is going to include a 6.5, 9.5, and 12.5 inch pair. They do have a couple different styles of their water pump pliers. The grip lock, I like the design here. What they've done seems a little bit more on the slim side. I like the overall shape compared to their more generic design. Channellock has a lot of fantastic USA made pliers, this just being another set from them that's very affordable. Channellock pricing has went up in the last 5 to 10 years quite a bit since I purchased all of my Channellock stuff, but still very affordable stuff for USA made. A lot of the Channellock stuff is more of your kind of classic plier designs. They do have some fancier stuff, but overall they keep it simple and the stuff is just solid. So this set, 3 pieces, a lot of versatility here. This is their grip lock jaw, which is designed with an offset head to help with different shaped items that you may be, trying to turn or bend or grab. Forged high carbon US steel. Overall, I think it's a really solid set, especially at just under $55. This has been as high as $63, so it does fluctuate quite a bit, but I think $55-$60 is perfectly fine for this set. This has 4.7 stars, 1,826 ratings. Next up, we are looking at a couple of swivel air hose connectors. This is going to be for anybody that still uses pneumatic air tools. There's still a lot of automotive shop stuff that air tools are still, handy. You don't have to worry about batteries or anything. Yeah, you got to worry about the hose. This just makes it a little bit easier to deal with some of those tools when you're using them over your head or in awkward spots instead of fighting the hose the entire time you're using it. These just make it a little bit less strenuous dealing with that hose because it's going to allow that hose to kind of relax in the position that you need it in. So this is just a rotating fitting that's going to allow you to just work with a little bit more ease. Very affordable. There are tons of brands out there. They can get really expensive. You can get them cheap. I figured this was a good one. It's rated highly. It's rated a lot, so I figured I'd mention it. Even at its full price, $10. It has 4.6 stars, 988 ratings. Next up is a product from Casoman. This is their 19-piece set, 1/4-inch drive universal socket set. This is going to be both metric and SAE. You can get just metric or just SAE. So the ones I'm showing you, I thought was priced really well for the amount of universal sockets that you're getting. I have the Astro Pneumatic, I have the Gearwrench, and honestly, I've paid basically the Gearwrench, just one of the, the SAE set sells for more than this. And from reading some of the reviews, these have held up really well for a lot of people. Weekend wearers, DIYers, I think if these are used on a regular basis, yeah, they're probably going to get a little floppy on you, just like your universal joints. But I think $39 for this set is a fantastic price for what you're getting. You're getting really good coverage, both metric and SAE. Got a little hard case here, but there in metric, you can see it goes from 5mm up to 15mm. You do get the 5.5, and there are no skips. The SAE, you get 3/16 all the way up to 9/16, so really good coverage in both. And I do like the fact that the metric does cover all the way up to 15mm and it has no skips. I thought that was really good option there. There are tons of sets out there that are half this size that run this price alone. So I figured this one was at least worth mentioning, and especially with Casoman being one of these Amazon brands that it's kind of made up a positive impact on a lot of people. You can get some pretty dang good tools for a really good price. So I think any weekend wear DIYer is going to be happy with a lot of the Casoman stuff. So I figured this was worth a mention. 4.4 stars, 656 ratings. Next up is another Casoman one. This I wanted to mention because when it comes to long reach, long nose pliers and stuff like that, I can use and abuse pliers like this all the time. These aren't my everyday pliers. Like, this isn't something that I use every day, but when I do use them, they can be used and abused, and they don't need to be expensive. I have some really nice ones. I have Knipex ones. There are a lot of brands out there. You can go and spend, almost $100 per pair. You can also go to Harbor Freight and pick up their ones for $5 or whatever it is per pair. And honestly, I've had the Harbor Freight ones for going on 10 years now, and I've used them for some pretty abusive stuff. And while they're not the cleanest fit and finish, they've done the job. They're just long reach, long nose pliers. So honestly, they've worked really well, and there's no sense for me to go out and spend a bunch if not necessary, especially for weekend warriors, DIYers. You just want to have something like this on hand but not spend a lot of money. I think this is a really solid option. You got your long reach, long nose pliers in straight and 2 different angles. I think it's like a 45 and a 90. Yeah, it says it right there. And then you also have your hose pliers. These are fantastic. I also have these from Harbor Freight. Not the highest quality finish. They still do the job great at removing vacuum lines, coolant hose lines like heater core hoses, things like that. It's also fantastic for electrical connectors when you have to grab a connector on both sides. Fantastic. No sense in spending a whole bunch if it's not necessary. These are $32.37, down from a list price of $40. That's just over $5 per pair. So you're looking at Harbor Freight pricing here, probably along the same lines as far as quality and all of that. So I think it's a really solid option. Let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.8 stars, 392 ratings. Next up, we're looking at one that I hadn't seen before, and that makes sense because right down here where you can see the standard red pair, I actually have this pair at $42.97. This is their new 7.5-inch long nose pliers. Not only did they do a little color combo on the handles, which I really like the material that they use on the Engineer Vamplier tools. Engineer is the original brand, made in Japan. It's going to be green. You're going to be able to save a little bit of money if you go with the Engineer brand themselves. Vampliers or Vampire Tools is the US based one. It's going to come with a short warranty, I think 2 to 4 years. I can't remember specifically. It's not lifetime warranty. You get a couple years or something like that. But you're also paying a little bit more for the pliers when you buy from Vampliers or Vampire Tools. So if you want to save a little bit of money, I don't know, Engineer doesn't seem to offer all of the things that I can find from Vampire Tools, at least not on US Amazon. So there are going to be some things that you can't find from Engineer. I don't know if Engineer is going to offer these. This is like an updated multi-purpose design of what I have. The long nose that I have, it's got a cutter, it's got the screw extraction obviously, and nice aggressive teeth in it for some long nose pliers. These, not only do you got that kind of cool color combo handles, but you still got the screw extraction, you still got the cutter. You have a crimper down here in the bottom now below the joint. Above the cutter you have an open jaw with some teeth. You have a smooth jaw and then smaller open areas, and that's going to be for like twisting wires, things like that. And you still got fine teeth up front. So just kind of looking at some of the different images that they have there, you can see inside the jaw. I just thought this was really interesting. This is not on sale. I just came across this, thought this was really cool, and wanted to share it with you guys because I really enjoy Engineer and Vampire Tools pliers. Really, really cool stuff. And this is $40, which I don't think is terrible. It's not cheap. The Engineer version of these that are at $43 is probably closer to $30. Engineer, you can typically get a pretty dang good deal on it. Vampliers, while some of them are still priced really well, some of them are, $5 to $15 higher than the Engineer version of them. So maybe we'll see this from Engineer in the future, but I wanted to mention it. It already has 4.8 stars, 696 ratings. So even though this says new, I don't know how new it is. It's definitely new to me, but I don't know how long it's actually been out. But really cool one from Engineer or Vampire Tools. Next up is a really cool one if you need to save space in your garage. That is Speedway Motors wall mount floor jack holder. And this is going to be specifically for aluminum floor jacks. This one I like because you have the top plate and then you have the bottom plate to protect your wall from the wheels going through the wall or doing damage. It's also got a nice handle holder on it. It's a nice, really nice design. I like this. So if you got like the Harbor Freight aluminum floor jacks or anything like that, I think this is a really solid option of getting the jack up off the floor, taking up less space. That's it. If I had more wall space, I've got too much stuff on my walls. Otherwise, I would definitely have this. This is at $49, down from a typical price of $52. So not a whole lot of savings, but definitely a really cool one to save space in the garage. 4.4 stars, 32 ratings. And while we're looking at space savings for the garage or shop, these are your jack stand wall mount holders. And this is going to save space from all of your jack stands taking up space. Now, one thing I would recommend is kind of put this somewhere out of the way so you're not going to round a corner and run into it or kick it with your shin, because that would not be good. But from reading the reviews and stuff, a lot of people are really happy with them. Like this, I would not be able to do because I would come around the door corner and just run my shin right into that. Also, another thing, as you can see here, they have smaller jack stands and larger ones. They have specific mounts for smaller and larger jack stands so they can support the weight, and they're just designed a little bit bigger to hold the jack stand correctly. Here you can see somebody tucked it behind their door, which I thought was really cool. This one's on like maybe a load bearing post in the garage. So I definitely like the idea of these, getting the jack stands up out of the way, just as long as it's not in an area that you're like trafficking and like going to KO with your body. But these are $30, so I thought they were priced really well, of just a way to save space and keep organized in the garage. 4.6 stars, 247 ratings. Last one up for this week is the Gearwrench 2-piece set of the 120 XP ratchets. This is the 1/4-inch drive and 3/8 drive, semi-locking flex head, extra long. This is the dual material or comfort grip. I really enjoy the 120 XP. I have one of their new designs like this. I have the old design exactly like this, but the old head design. I love the new head design, slim. I have the locking version. I like the locking design, but I think it could be refined. There's a lot of slop in it, in the lock position. But besides that, the ratchet still works fine. I like what they've done here with these newer, I shouldn't say new, these have been out for a little while now, but really solid ratchets. I like the 120 XP design. If you're not a fan of the 120 XP, they do have their 92s, which people really enjoy. They tend to have, from testing, less back drag. I personally don't have a complaint. I have the 90 tooth, I have the 84 tooth, I have the 120 XP. I don't have a complaint about any of them as far as their back drag. They've all been really good for me. So I like the low arc swing. It's a 60 tooth main gear, dual pulls, creating 120 positions, 3-degree arc swing. $73.77, down from basically $80 typical price. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. They have tons of different sets out there. This being the semi-locking flex head, I think I would probably enjoy this a little bit more than their locking, just because of the slot that those have. This has 4.7 stars, 406 ratings. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you guys have any of these items that we went over today, but all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.